We are at an existing retail estate in Hatfield. The site has suffered from severe flooding for years, with areas of the car park becoming unusable in periods of heavy rain. The problem is that the soakaways that were installed some time ago are now inadequate, so there's no real outlet for the drainage channels. The solution decided upon is the installation of an infiltration system using ACO's BCI award-winning StormBrixx product. Gray Build Limited is the main contractor installing this new system. A hole is excavated to the size determined by the engineer to suit the storage volume requirement. It is then important to trim and level the soil base to get it as smooth and level as possible. The ACO infiltration geotextile is positioned to drop into the hole. It is then evenly laid out, leaving enough of the material to wrap up the sides and on the top. For an installation of this size, the geotextile is laid in strips. StormBrixx's unique stacking ability means more can be delivered on fewer vehicles, hence reducing carbon footprint. This also means a large amount of product can be stored in a comparably small area on site. Pallets of StormBrixx are brought down to the installation area as and when is needed. The StormBrixx units will be constructed on site. The contractor lays the perimeter of the system first using StormBrixx's unique cross and brick bonding features, which makes the structure very strong. As you can see, the StormBrixx snap together with ease. The red connectors are placed at intervals along the length of the laid system. The next layer of StormBrixx units clip into these connectors. This will add strength between the layers. Next, the side panels are clipped onto the perimeter of the constructed units. As you can see, it is a simple process even in a confined space like this. Blocks of StormBrixx are then installed within the perimeter, building up the full system. Top covers are simply clipped onto the surface holes. These covers support the geotextile or membrane and surface material. This site happens to have a street lighting electric cable going across it. To relocate it would be expensive and time-consuming, but because StormBrixx is constructed on site, the cable can be run inside the system without cutting the product or repositioning the cable, making it a very simple and cost-effective procedure. One section of the StormBrixx installation has been constructed, so the contractor now trims and levels the next strip of ground. More ACO geotextile is laid and the clipping together of StormBrixx is started again. You can see how stable the system has become. Let's take a look inside the StormBrixx on site. You can see there are clear runs right through the product's open cell structure. This allows easy access for CCTV or jetting equipment, a unique feature of the StormBrixx design. Once the top of the system is wrapped in the geotextile, the system can be backfilled according to the engineer's specification. This is the stage of the installation after 2 days. The build process was continued until all the StormBrixx were laid and the backfill was in place. Due to the high loading requirements of this site, concrete was laid to a depth of approximately 200 millimeters. Reinforcement mesh was also laid to add strength to the concrete. The concrete is finished using a floating vibrating tamp. The tarmacked top surface was applied and now we can see the finished result. The car park is ready to receive traffic once again.